Hi, this is Iqbal Hasan. Welcome to eMart IT, your partner in smart business automation solution. Today I will show you how we create sales funnel or any landing pages using GoHighLevel. What is a sales funnel or a landing page? A sales funnel is like a website page or a temporary page. Suppose you are selling something and you are providing 30% discount. In the whole year, you will not provide 30% discount. For this particular season, you are providing 30% discount. For 7 days or 1 month. After that 1 month, that funnel is over. That is sales funnel. Anything you can create as a single page, one page, 2-page website, it is landing page. Landing page can be a short form of website. Now let me show you how we can create sales funnel or landing page using GoHighLevel. To create a sales funnel, let's go to the sites. You can see I already created 2 funnels. Before create a sales funnel, you need to think what you want to achieve from that sales funnel. You want to generate the leads or you want to sell something. So according to that, you can create that funnel. Funnel is a structure like if you want to sell some product, you will create the first page defining your product. In the second page, you will set up the price. In the third page, you will put the discount. Then you will send the purchase detail or the purchase setup. After that, you will send a thank you message. Thank you for your purchase or thank you for doing the business with us. That's the funnel. It means you have certain target that if anyone cross the first step, then must go to the second step. Going to the second step, then must go to the third step and the final step. That's how funnel work. So in this funnel, I create 2 pages. One page, I just put a form. For this funnel, I have a target to gather leads like with our services. The second page is thank you page. If anyone use this page after submitting this button, they will see this page. So that is a funnel. According to the funnel, we will create the automation. This can be called as landing pages as well. If you want to use only this page as your landing page or your service page or anything, you just create as per your requirement. How you can create? Inside GoHighLevel, you can use different template. If I go there and if I create a new funnel, there is option from template or AI or from blank. From blank, if I choose, I need to put a name. Or if I go to the from template, then it will show different built-in template. I can choose the template from this and I can customize that template according to my needs or according to your needs. So this is a very cool option, but I always choose to build it from scratch, from blank. Suppose I put a name, I click create, then I can add a step to that funnel like name of the page, suppose this path and URL, then create sales funnel. You can see use existing. If I have a website, I want to use that website template I already created, that same branding or same thing, or create from blank. If I click create from blank, then everything, full page need to be created manually. GoHighLevel drag and drop features, and if you know the codings, then you can create using HTML or others code as well. That's how you can create any sales funnel, any landing pages. It could be using by GoHighLevel a built-in template, or you can build it from scratch. According to the sales funnel, I will create the automation, pipeline setup, trigger and everything so that you can do your business automatically. So if you are looking to create a sales funnel, landing page or website or all the business automation, then please let us know. You can always reach out to us info@emartit.com. Also, you can book a free consultation today so that we can discuss more. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.